What happens when your Lyft business starts getting bigger? More customers, more AMC contacts, more technicians, more installations, and suddenly your team is spending half the day asking who's handling the service call. Did we send the quotation? When does the AMC expire? Where is the technician? And here's the expensive part. Every missed follow-up, delayed services, forgotten renewals, or incorrect technician assignment can cost you money. Because you are not just managing Lyft anymore, you are managing hundreds of moving parts with a system that can build to handle them. And that's where things start getting expensive. Let's break it down. Imagine you manage 500 AMC contracts. If a small percentage of those renewals are missed because of your team doesn't have the right alerts, trackings, or follow-up system, you are leaving recurring revenue on the table. Now add delayed quotations, missed leads, unplanned technician visits, parts unavailable at the time of service, manual reporting, and hours spending on managing coordination information that should already be available on the screen. That aren't just administrative problems, they are revenue problems. And the bigger your Lyft and Escalator business becomes, the more expensive manual management gets. The answer isn't hiring more people to manage the chaos. The answer is giving you people a better system. That's exactly what Triple Mind white label Lyft and Escalator management software is designed to solve. And isn't another generic CRM or a few extra buttons. It's a complete management platform built around the operational workflow of Lyft and elevator companies. Lead comes in, quotation gets out, installation gets tracked, technician gets assigned, service gets recorded, AMC gets monitored, inventory gets updated, management gets the numbers, all from one connected platform. And because it's white label, you don't launch someone else's software, you launch your software, your brand, your domain, your identity, your customer experience. Let's look at what that means operationally. With lead and customer management, every inquiry gets captured, assigned, followed up, and tracked. With quotation and cost estimation, your team can create professional quotation faster and respond while the opportunity is still hot. With installation and project management, every project moves through defined stages, from site survey to installation and final handover. And once the elevator is operational, service and AMC management takes over. Track contacts, schedule preventive maintenance, record service history, monitor upcoming renewals, and keep every customer record on place. So instead of your business depending on someone else's memory, notebook, WhatsApp chat, or Excel file, the system remembers everything. But here where things get more powerful, your technicians are your field operations, and managing them manually becomes extremely difficult as your service networks grows. With smart scheduling and technician dispatch, managers can assign jobs, monitor status, and improve technician utilization with live location tracking. You get better visibility into field activity, and with parts and inventory management, you can track critical components across warehouses and field teams. With alerts when stock reaches a defined level, that means fewer unnecessary trips, less operational confusion, better sources utilization, and faster service delivery. Because when the right technicians has the right information and the right part at the right time, your entire operation moves faster. Now let's talk about the most business owners are care about, how much that costs. Building a platform like this from scratch can mean months of development, multiple developers, UI and backend teams, testing, maintenance, infrastructure, and a significant investment before your first customer even logs in. With Triple Mind, you can start with a ready to deploy foundation from $9,000, and you can extend it with modules like HR and attendance, payroll and salary management, advanced reporting, analytics, and custom business workflow. So instead of spending your time building technology, you can spend your time building your business. That's the real advantage of white label. You don't start from zero. Here's the reality. Your customers don't care whether you are managing their service contact through Excel, WhatsApp, or a sophisticated software platform. They care about one thing: how quickly and professionally you deliver the service. And your management teams cares about something else: how efficiently you can scale the business without scaling the chaos. That's what this platform is built for. more visibility, better control, faster operations, smarter field management, and a completely branded digital platform that belongs to your business only. So don't spend another year trying to patch together spreadsheets, phone calls, and disconnected tools. Book a free demo with Triple Minds today. We'll show you the platform, walk through to the modules, and show you how your branded lift and escalator management system can work. Don't build the technology from scratch. Build your business on the top of technology that already ready. Triple Minds, your brand, your platform, your business.